Okay, since the stock market was doing this thing today, baby. Okay, if you didn't know, first and foremost, I am the money coach, baby. I am the motivator, the educator, the one to help you get into the stock market game, baby. I started this channel and website, link below, baby, the moneytalkshowtv.com, to help and encourage all new investors to get into the stock market. I had started everything from losing my job, you know what I'm saying, being a corporate miracle worker, you know what I'm saying, forever. And during the pandemic, got the boot, baby. So here I am in the stock market with my 401k money to survive, baby. So I do this to survive, playboy. So I don't play no games. Now, when the stock market was down today, you know what I did? Man, I be looking and lurking. I got the shades on, boy. I be looking lurk. You got to see. You got to be able to see better, okay? Tesla was down, boy. Tesla was sitting down at 600 and something dollars, boy. The low, okay? Tesla was down for the low. Put me some money on Tesla, okay, baby? I'm even thinking about some Tesla calls, okay? Because I don't think Tesla gonna stay down like that forever, baby, okay? Best believe, all right? Give you some other stock market news. CCIV, boy, CCIV going crazy, okay? I believe it's gonna drop down. I did want to put some puts up on it, but I didn't put, okay? But CCIV gonna drop down probably a little bit more, and it's gonna bounce. Okay, I'm definitely looking to get into it if it get down to that round, that low mid 20, 25s, 28s. I even like it at 30. I ain't gonna even lie, I like it at 30. But right now I got some other things going on, baby. Okay, everything was down in the stock market. Okay, Macy's was up today, baby. Okay, Goodyear was up today, baby. Okay. AMC to the moon was up today, baby. Okay, got into some calls with AMC. I check that video out up there, baby. I got me some $6.50 calls for AMC. Plan on making some more calls probably in the morning, baby. Gotta check my glasses and see what's going on in the morning, okay? So stock market ain't crashing, baby, okay? It's on how long you plan on lasting into the stock market. If you're a long-term investor, baby, you look like this is a perfect opportunity to go shopping, okay? It's time to go shopping. Okay, if you're a new investor out there, you're a little shaky, you might not know what you're doing. All right, and what's going on? One of the reasons why stocks are continuously to fall, certain stocks, is because people, new investors, some people in there, they getting out, they cutting their losses. Some people are still taking profits. You might have got in that thing last month too. Some people got into it last year or two. Okay, so therefore they cost average is very low, and therefore even if it dropped down, they still can sell with a profit and get up out of it and move. Okay. Another reason why the stock market was doing some funny things today, a lot of big companies, people who move the stock market with billions and millions of dollars, was moving their money, baby. He's moving their money from the tech sector. Okay, the tech sector got hit hard, baby. Okay, so that did hurt my Palantir calls video up there somewhere. Okay, that hurt my Palantir calls. It hurt all my calls pretty much. You know, AFC came, bounced back, and then my number one, well, second, number two hitter that came today was Low, baby. LODE, Low. Told y'all about Low, baby. Okay, cryptocurrency in the mind, and I ain't giving up. I know how to get in and get out, okay? Now, if I do advertise and talk about certain things, I am a new investor who is using the stock market to survive. So I'm not in every single long-term play. I get into some plays for the hype, run it up, and I get out. That's what I got to do. I need money coming in every single week. I don't have time for every single brokerage account that I have to do long-term investing. So with the Robinhood, I go straight to the hood, baby. I'm calling calls. I'm in and out. I'm day trading. I'm doing it all with the Robinhood. Now my Webull, long-term investing, okay, baby. Doing some other things with that. M1 Finance, I love that, baby. Long-term investing. I ain't even got to touch that. I'm probably going to put some money into the M1 Finance account since all these stocks was low. I was too busy caught up, worried about my call options that I forgot to put some money into my M1 Finance account. Since all the stocks was at a low price, baby, boom. Okay. And the finance department is starting to boom up, oh baby. Okay. So some of them sectors that took their money out of the tech is putting into the recovery stocks. That's why you see the airlines jumping up, baby. That's why you see some of the CVS, you know what I'm saying, Macy's, the Boots, you know what I'm saying, you know, all those They starting to look into the next plays that's going to benefit them in the future for the pandemic, baby. Everybody's thinking, okay? So savvy investors, retail investors are ready to move because we ain't got that big lump sum of money that we can just think about it and make, we can make moves. We can sell that, get up out of that, get into another play, baby. Cryptocurrency might be going on for 2-3 weeks. We get up out of the cryptocurrency plays and get into the weed stocks. Weed stocks might go up for a week or two. You got the weed stocks and go into the airlines. Airlines might jump up for a week or two. It's all about maneuvering, okay? You got to be able to maneuver and move around. But doing that, you got to be smart about it, know what you're doing, and watch the stock market, baby. If that's not for you, you ain't being able to move around, you don't know what you're doing. M1 Finance, baby, put your money in there, let it do it. You know what I'm saying? Pick some safe stocks. Apple. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know how to get around with the options trading, baby, I'm getting it in, okay? But this is your update for the day. I'm looking at the pre-market in the morning. AMC, hopefully it jumps up. My call option on EBON. Give you an update on my call option on EBON. It went down today, boy. Boy was hurting, okay? But I do got some good news. They did, who was at the swipe people, baby? Square. Square just put in a couple of $1 million on Bitcoin right there. So that's definitely gonna give your boy a boost up in the morning for the pre-market. About 4:30 in the morning, I'll be looking at that guy, seeing if that helps me out with my call option. If it doesn't, I'm gonna watch the stock closely and see about getting out, cutting my losses, preferably, but I still believe it's gonna bang on the EBAN. Ticker symbol EBON. Been down, been getting beat down since the breakdown of this week, okay? But be blessed to invest in yourself.